Happy Thanksgiving!
Oh, yeah.
Chris Nordine at the furnace at the Glass Academy taking a hot gathered glass because tonight we're cooking our turkey. How do you do that with hot glass? Jake, tell us about the turkey here.
Well, the turkey is a turkey, and
It's a little baby.
I'm gonna get it seasoned up a little bit here so we can get it going. We got some chili powder. We don't really know our turkey seasoning. This is kind of like a Glass Academy special. Come up with what we got here. A little bit of that. Sometimes you just got to rub it in a little, get it up in there.
I like the massage technique. I see that on like a professional chop.
Yeah, we use this on the glass sometimes, this special jiggle and squish technique. Let's see what we got here with the lemon pepper, folks.
Oh, and I see the glass blower's got the glass blowing. He's getting ready.
That's
All
right.
What's next?
I think we got to get this thing toasting. We're seasoned up. We're looking good. Just got
Massage it in real good. Massage it in good.
I think it's ready. Just checking the arms, checking the legs.
You're going to cook it from the inside first.
Well, a little bit of both. That's right. We got to make sure it's cooking correctly here now.
Yeah, well, because this is the core bubble, and we got to go into the core of the turkey.
That's right.
So we're making sure it's gonna
Make
fit
sure it
right
fits
in
there.
Let's just take a look. Well, we can't let it in there too much.
I think that was pretty good.
All
get it
right.
cooked.
I'm gonna heat this bubble up. Jake, you're gonna get ready.
This guy's got to get right on the platform here.
Ooh, it smells delicious. Little sizzling turkey.
We've only done this one time before, and it did turn out perfect. So we're gonna go for number 2 here. Good.
And this is how you heat the inside of a turkey. Ooh. How are we going to pound it, you guys? Oh no, you know, go to the board hole. I think that's where we've got to go to get
Yep.
inside. All right, let's head over to the board hole.
Well, I gotta make sure I can pick it up.
We don't want it to be slipping and sliding on us here.
It ain't staying in there, is it? Gotta go above. Oh, I'm gonna flip it. Got it. Oh yeah, she's looking good.
It's riding that pipe.
Woo! Look at that baby.
Ooh, all right.
Get the inside done. Looking pretty tasty.
They're going to work on the outside.
But what about the outside?
You have to go inside the glory hole here and get her heated up.
Let's see that. Holy moly.
Oh, looking good. Switch it. This thing is turning out unbelievable.
Wait, hold on. It's still cooking, though. Show them what's happening.
Oh, yeah.
What the heck?
Oh, sizzling. Look at that. Oh, it turned out gorgeous.
Okay.
Wow.
Let's take it over to the table and serve it up.
Oh, yeah.
Jake, make sure you put your mask on for COVID dinner.
All right, sure.
Oh,
Oh, that's what you like to do, a little carving? We've got Gus and Kaylee, our Glass Academy family here, drinking with our special vessels and our nuts.
Oh, yeah.
Mix our nuts.
oh, delicious. I'd like some dark meat, Gus.
Is that cut through just perfect?
I think so.
Oh my gosh.
How'd you guys cook it so good?
Hey, 2,500 degrees, I'm telling you.
I'll split this with you, Dad.
Yeah. Thanks, Jake.
Let me see if I can get a good bite of this.
It's hard to get the leg off.
Oh, tender and delicious.
What the? Little warm still. Careful, everyone.
Some dark meat.
All right, so from our families to yours, this is the Glass Academy here in Dearborn, Michigan. Wishing you a happy Thanksgiving and many more. Just thought we'd throw some fun entertainment your way. Catch us live on Facebook Tuesdays and Fridays. Kaylee, let's say cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers! Happy Thanksgiving, everyone.